So these 20-inch wheels are definitely not the smoothest ride as you can get, more aerodynamic and I guess more ride oriented wheels on here, but they definitely look the best in my opinion. And it's still not a bad ride. You can just basically feel everything, especially on a road like this that's being torn up. But all Teslas tend to have a bit of a bounce in them. Which if you have one of these, you probably don't care. Because knowing I have 1,000 horsepower in this thing, this is probably the best riding 1,000 horsepower vehicle you can get by far. But very easy to maneuver even in this stop and go traffic, so happy for that. Corner, I'm gonna start at like 20 and then we're just gonna nail it. Be prepared. That was 90. Gosh. That never gets old. Whether it's a Model S P100D, Model S Plaid, these things are just ridiculously quick. It's insanely fast. I mean, I don't think I've been on a roller coaster that gives you that much of a pull. And this thing just did. Absolutely insane. But I'm not surprised. And I mean, this thing just thrashes you when you put your foot into it. But very, very impressive. And I have my little brother riding with me, and I guarantee you he was not expecting that, and I told him to expect it. Just crazy power.
I feel like I was on light speed for a second.
And what's crazy is knowing that no matter what vehicle pulls up next to you, you will smoke it. Period. And I mean, these things are just nasty fast. And that's really why Tesla does so well. You have to think one of the big reasons that Dodge has stayed around so long is because they just keep throwing high output V8s and supercharged V8s and just about anything. And that's what makes most of their money. Or at least the thought of that. You know, people buy a V6 Challenger because it's close to the V8 Challenger. But this Plaid right here is really, this is what everybody wants. Just ridiculous power. Just unbelievable. That never gets old. Just so fast. It'll give you whiplash though, you gotta be careful. But like I said earlier, you just know that any car you get next to has no chance at beating you in something like this. You have 1,000 horsepower in an EV. I mean, basically it's defying gravity or whatever. because it's so ridiculously quick. Just ridiculous. But of course, I'm very impressed, but not surprised by the new 2022 Tesla Model X Plaid.